Recording the sewer line here at 822 Northeast 81st. Date is November 19th, 2020. I'm coming back from the city main sewer. There's the city main sewer. Into plastic here. Plastic into our liner. So this is a newly installed Bob Oates sewer liner. So we installed from the yard out to the main. There it goes back to 4-inch diameter. Then you get our downspout tie-in pipe there and then into a pipe burst. So we did a pipe burst for the remaining stretch of this. Actually turned out really nice. Into our newly installed cleanout. So here is the newly installed cleanout. There's the cleanout here. We're in between 822 81st and the neighboring house. Alrighty, I'm going to end the recording there.